So people, I'll let you have a guess where we are today. Put it in the comments. Today, we are in the backup plan. My dad's car. It's his birthday today. And if people know, we lost him not long ago. So today, we are making his dream come true and getting his Clio on here. And then we'll have a wander around and see a few other cars. Got Matthew here. Let's go and have a wander. We're waiting on a towing eye, my bad, forgot it. We've done the sighting laps. Let's go.
Straight into the action. Here's John leading the pack on the sighting laps. He is behind the safety car. It just looks like they forgot the keys, so he's has to use his personal car. As you can see, the track is a little bit damp, but it didn't take long before it dried out, and what a day it was for it. Getting mugged off. What is it they say?
What?
Failing to prepare is preparing to fail.
Correct, we don't fail, mate.
But saying that, John's just got back from holiday last night, so it was a quick
very quick
turnaround. Towing eyes on. Check the oil, tighten the battery, a few little checks. We're going out for the first lap.
A few moments later.
First little outing. How did she go?
She did all right, mate. We're not pushing her yet. We've just literally got it out. We've now checked the tyres, checked the wheels. I think she's just burning off some old cobwebs, isn't she, mate?
Yeah, definitely.
She's been parked up for a while, but all looks good. We've got no leaks.
There she is, Baguettes and Asbo's team bus. Just got should we get it branded on the side there, or just keep it subtle and just have a couple of little Baguettes and Asbo signs on the front? If anyone wants to sponsor us and get the business splattered down the side of the bus, just give us a shout in the comments below.
Singer.
Is that a little temperature gauge on there?
So you're not an imp?
It's a chamois.
Chamois?
Yeah,
Singer
basically,
isn't it? But the Singer Charmois was like smart, or you had like watermelon dash.
Right.
But basically,
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And two.
I've managed to wangle myself into a passenger ride with a Hillman Imp. I started chatting to this guy and I told him about a lad I used to know called Andy Jones who used to have a Hillman Imp race car, and it turns out Andy's still knocking about with the Hillman Imps and he built his engine. Got chatting to him anyway, I've asked him for a ride, so come to the helmet camp.
you miss a gear?
I can't believe how much grip it's got and how it rotates. Amazing. Hitting this hairpin down here, it's fantastic.
I call it off.
I fully get it. I fully get it. All those years, Andy Jones was right. Wow.
Yours are right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, so we're taking an early bath because wheel bearing is shot on this and we don't want to risk it. We've done a few laps, a few hot laps. John's dad's ashes are in there. He's been for a drive. John's happy. He's done what he's wanted to do. Now on to getting Baguette 6.9 finish so John can proper get on track. Mate, check that out.
Check the aero on that there, mate.
What's that?
Look at that.
No.
Too much for you.
Bosh. So we just had a lovely chat with a nice guy. He's got a 106. I didn't want to film him, put him on camera. K20 swap. He said he had the engine in and out 80 times, mocking it up. Full Haltech ECU. Oh, that was lovely. Honda gearbox. Modified all the drive shafts. Absolute delightful little piece of kit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a quick serve. I had a GTI and when I bought it.
Right.
A Baguette. A JDM Baguette.
Yeah, I ended up
K20, one for Mike.
rebuilding the GTI engine, put cams in it, had the petrol.
Big quick, aren't you? I mean, mate, had a yellow one
Little
when you
French.
first come out, mate, and I tell you, it's surprisingly fast. Especially when you unload that going, it's a 106 Quicksilver. Lovely bit of kit. Look at that. He's having an early bath. Tyres have done him dirty. But yes, boys, look at that. Didn't actually show you the work he's actually done to get it in. So, to cut all of that out. Cut all of that out. Some serious fabrication that. And then inside. Whoosh. Standalone with a Haltech. Absolutely mint. Just been showing them the work that the boys done on this.
Yeah, look underneath.
We had a little snoop under there as well. Clean.
Torsion bar these, aren't they?
Yeah. You used to mess with you. Well, I remember years ago, Ross had one of these and a 306, and you twist it and it lowers. That's how you lower it, innit? Hey mate, what's seeing you here?
Hey, there's John.
Hey,
Yeah, mate.
hey, it's all electric. Ah!
Baguettes. Baguettes. Asbo. Baguettes. Baguettes. Asbo. Baguettes. Baguettes. Asbo. This is where John got a bit greedy on that runoff area there a minute ago. There's the elbow.
Yeah, boy.
And the Baguette.
What you been?
Here's the first addition to the new garage. Right,
In your dreams, buddy.
one day, pit walk. Some serious tackle going on today.
Yeah.
These boys are taking it serious. They're closing the garage door so you can't see what they're up to. They don't want to see the racing PSI in the tyres. Look at the number plate, Atom OMG. You got the brakes working then?
Of a fashion, they're alright. Well, the brakes always work, the light is a bit.
Ah, right, okay. At least you got out.
Yeah, I've been out once. Rough one.
You alright?
You're right, mate.
LY, F1, Baguette, JDM.
I'd been pushing on.
As both. What would you rather have, a GT3 or an SC150?
Take the GC.
Yeah, me too.
Them wheels. What size are they?
22s maybe?
22s.
Are they on the harder on the budgets?
20 on the front.
Could the air on this.
21s on the rear.
How wide?
One day.
Once we get monetised, will we get to? Look
Matty.
at that.
Veins.
Another baguette there. That looks like it's got the R26R wheels on. Look at that. Oh, that is clean. Rain, like carbon Kevlar seat. Oh man, lovely.
A little baguette. And a little tussle with him. Not much. Make sure to go and give them a follow. And we'll see them again.
Yeah, check these boys out. Unit detail. Who do you think will win in a race?
Clio all day.
Right, go on, get in the snuggly Westfield.
I'll try. It's struggling. Can't even get in. Wow. No, the seat genuinely is snuggly on this. I can't move.
It suits you.
Wow. Look. I'm locked in. Yeah, if you had a few more pounds, you're not getting in here, are you?
Put the steering wheel on if you don't like, isn't it?
It's a good job you didn't have them wings and ribs at lunchtime.
What's it, what's it been?
One day, keep watching.
Dream big, baby.
How many beasts are here today, Matty?
Many beasts. So we traded up from the Colt to this. As well.
day come to an end quite early. Wheel bearing very wobbly. Wheel bearing very bad.
Yeah.
Very bad.
Mechanical
So,
issues.
I know full well we could have carried on. We definitely could have, but I know full well if he was still here, we'd have been off. As always, people, if you made it this far, thank you for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one.
Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, tell your mother and tell your nan.